The values are lived, not laminated. And we tend to have a lot of companies with laminated value statements and mission statements and goals. These are things that they put up on the wall because somebody told them we need a mission statement, we need a goal statement, we need a value statement. And so a bunch of people go off on a retreat somewhere and they hire somebody like me and we bandy around a whole bunch of words and we say, yeah, that's it. Okay, perfect. And they put it up on a wall and they never live it. And they have nothing to do with how these companies actually interact. And the leaders don't live the values and the leaders don't live the mission. And goals and decisions are not made based on mission, vision, and values. They're based on expediency. And when we do that, internal communication fails because we're saying one thing and we're doing it another. And people will believe your actions far more than they will believe what you say.
Hmm.
And if we're not, as an organization, speaking the language that we're living, our internal communications is falling on deaf ears. It's not listened to, it's not understood, and it's not valued.